Remember when you had to juggle between a lot of messaging apps just to talk to everyone? The headache might be ending for European users. According to WA Beta Info, WhatsApp is rolling out a beta feature that allows users send and receive messages from people from other messaging apps such as Birdie Chat. The changes stem from EU's DMA. This regulation requires large platforms like just WhatsApp to play nice with rival messaging service if they want to keep operating in the region. Once you enable it, you can exchange messages, images, video, and voice notes with people outside of WhatsApp. However, some advanced WhatsApp features won't work on third-party chats, like status updates, stickers, and disappearing message will not be available. WhatsApp separates third-party chat for standard conversations that place them in a dedicated section at the top of the inbox. This makes it clear when you are interacting with someone from a different messaging app. Additionally, you can choose to combine all the messages in one inbox if you prefer. The feature is opt-in by default. That means no one can contact you from other apps unless you enable it. Users can manage which specific third-party apps get permission to communicate through WhatsApp. This will give you full control over who can reach you. At first, only Birdie Chat is working. WhatsApp doesn't directly select which apps to integrate. In fact, third-party developers must meet strictly security and encryption requirements before submitting an integration request. WhatsApp will only approve those apps that will have equivalent security standards. Other apps like Signal, Telegram, and Messenger should join as they have to adapt with DMA requirements in the coming months.